comic by Shuzo Oshimi. His stories have been disturbing readers right out of the gate. His first one-shot, Yume no Hanazono, Garden of Dreams, won Chiba Tatsuya X. And when he did a cover for Samna, I was like, I can't believe I started out a series by talking to my editors a lot.
That's a cool bag. Cool bag. Are you ready to be in the vlog?
Yeah.
You're in it now.
Am I in it?
You're in it.
Man, look at this. Look at anime. What's it called again? The Japan Society always feeding us.
Exactly. Hey!
How you doing?
It's going well. How are you?
Are you guys in line for the food?
We think so. We're just like, we're following the vibe.
Shout out to my man Gordon Holiday. You can give him a round of applause. That made it happen. Made the impossible possible. So, without further ado.
It happened during the pandemic. Had some stuff in their cribs when they were watching. And so, you know, you can't help but like react to the energy, all of the energy. You know, and you know, I always like to quote.
I like your ring. Oh wow! Thank you. Thank you.
I figured you were gonna be. I was coming here for several reasons, but I was like, probably gonna see her and like
Nicholas will be here to say it. Yeah.
I was just like, I feel like all the it's like
yeah. Are you based? Are you also in New York or? Oh, okay.
Tonight's event is co-organized by Japan Foundation New York.
Collection of films, success of order in 3 days. You know, you got starting off with the classic Ninja Scroll.
I've seen it.
Now you've seen
24
it.
years later.
It's definitely like one of those nighttime movies, though, for sure.
Yeah? Have you seen it? No. My relationship really.
I haven't seen it yet, so I'm excited.
It actually is a really nice book. I'm not gonna hold you.
Yeah.
This is very well made.
You know anything around? I think about the movie
That you've seen so many times. Right.
I think I felt like a 22-year-old watching it for the first time again.
Okay. Alright. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Probably ready to go to
Holy
bed.
shit.
Yeah.
I would have fell asleep in the theater.
He was upstate. I went hiking. He's probably ready to go to bed.
That's why I'm feeling you too. I'm up now. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a windin'. Say hi for the vlog. You're already in it. Enjoy.